everybody, Grandma Bev here from Life with Grandma Bev, and today I'm going to attempt something a little different. I'm going to invite you to watch me try to get that thing put together somehow. What I'm going to do is, this came in one of our, I don't know what box it was, one of those boxes I got that got a whole bunch of junk in it, and it's a blackboard sticker. It's supposed to stick on things. Let's see. Where's an English part? No, oh, no English, no English. Turn any smooth surface, which that is, into a blackboard. Simply cut to the desired size and attach to cupboards or walls. Now that's either like plastic or I don't think it's glass, but we'll try it. And I held it up against it, and it's the exact width of, from the, where just the picture shows. So it looks like you just do not attach to delicate surfaces. Do not use sharp objects to write on. Okay, so it doesn't say anything. So I thought I would try it, you know. See if I can get it open. It's going, it's opening. Oh my God, Becky. Ooh, I thought it would be shiny. It's not not slick. Oh, what the heck is coming out of it? Oh, I see. They included some pieces of chalk. So I'm hoping to hang my regular little things up on there. And for those of you who watched my video of the me, myself, and I contest, I thought I'd try to put that one little shelf that came in the favorite box. That's the box, the bag, that one. Somewhere maybe over there. Not today, though. Let's see. Ooh, do you have to peel something off the back? Let's see. Uh-oh. You do. You gotta peel the back off. I hope it'll come back off easily once I'm... That's gonna be awkward. Well, I won't be using the whole roll. Okay, well then I also want to try these little self-adhesive hooks that I got at Dollar Tree. Now we have some of those Command ones. I thought I'd try these first because they're a lot cheaper. Clean the mounting surface, thoroughly dry, remove the liner, position as desired, press firmly, best to wait 24 hours before use. So we'll see, let me get this open before we get back over there. Yeah, you're gonna see me go over there in my skinny little area that you call between the wall and the mattress. But that's one of the things you just adapt to and put up with in a recreational vehicle. Okay, that's another one you peel the back off. Okay, so let's get up and head over there. I'm gonna stop on the way here and grab my scissors. So hold on, you can watch me. Here I am. TV. Well, let's see. Hope I got the right spot. Okay. Oh, I forget you're not up here. You're over there. Let's cut this. Thank goodness they've got a grid on the back, you know, with lines, so I cut straight. lot of, I keep looking up here to talk to you. A lot of lines on it though. Well, it looks like I did it long enough. Let's smooth it out before I put it up there. Making all the hair my arms stand on end. Oh, that didn't go on straight. So far, so good. This is difficult. What you think? I think the bubbles are going to come back. See, something like that would go on it. Let's see if one of these hooks will work. do you think? My hair is just going on my arms because it's kind of a plastic finish. See if it stays up there, you know, and if it does, then I'll put more stuff up, but I did it myself. See how easily I get out of bed. What is it, 80 in here? Okay, so that's it. Comment below, share, like, subscribe, and I hope you're all having a fun, fabulous, crafty day like I just did. Love you all. Bye.